Tensions are exploding in the Strait of Hormuz right now. The US says it has sunk 6 Iranian boats amid missile and drone attacks. Why does this matter to global oil and your daily life? On Monday, the US military reported sinking 6 Iranian small boats in the Strait of Hormuz. Admiral Brad Cooper stated these boats were attempting to interfere with commercial and US Navy vessels. This action followed Iranian attacks involving multiple cruise missiles, drones, and small boats targeting US Navy ships and commercial tankers. Former President Donald Trump also claimed the US shot down 7 Iranian boats after Tehran's aggressive moves in this critical waterway. Iran has escalated its military actions in the Strait of Hormuz by launching multiple cruise missiles and drones, alongside deploying small boats to target US Navy ships and commercial vessels. The United Arab Emirates reported drone attacks as part of this surge in regional hostilities. These attacks aim to disrupt key shipping lanes that are vital for global oil transport, increasing risks for international trade and energy markets. The Strait of Hormuz is one of the world's most strategic maritime chokepoints, through which a significant percentage of global oil shipments pass. The United Arab Emirates has relied heavily on the port of Fujairah, connected to the Abu Dhabi crude oil pipeline, to export oil while bypassing the strait. This pipeline has helped keep UAE oil flowing despite the ongoing threats in the waterway, but rising tensions threaten this fragile balance and could disrupt global energy supplies. In response to Iranian attacks, the U.S. launched an operation called Project Freedom aimed at reopening and securing the Strait of Hormuz for safe passage. The sinking of the 6 Iranian boats was part of this effort to protect commercial vessels navigating this critical waterway. The U.S. stance is clear. It will not allow Iranian forces to disrupt international shipping lanes, especially crucial oil routes that impact global markets. The recent drone attacks on the UAE and the violent naval clashes in the Strait of Hormuz have heightened fears of wider conflict in the Gulf region. This instability puts the global energy market at risk, as any disruption in oil exports could lead to price spikes and supply shortages. The situation remains volatile, with each side escalating military actions, raising concerns about potential broader confrontations. What this means for you is simple. The Strait of Hormuz crisis could impact global oil prices, meaning higher fuel costs and economic uncertainty worldwide. Staying informed is crucial as this conflict unfolds. Subscribe now to Daily Q&A for real-time updates and clear explanations on how global events affect your everyday life.